Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys and I'm so excited. Today, the Dollar Tree that I went to put out some new Easter items. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable and I was so happy that I got to go today because I believe they just put it out today. And so let me go ahead and share with you guys what I got. So I found this sign right here. I was in search of this one. I love it. And it looks like he has like a wood grain background on it. So these little things here, they're not smudges. I think it's supposed to be like part of the wood. But anyway, it says Happy Easter on it. Cute little bunny with a heart nose and a little raffia ribbon. And then these, his little feet or paws or whatever they're called. They're so cute. So I love it. I think it's so adorable and it'll be perfect for my kitchen. Remember how I was crazy obsessed about the little red truck with the hearts for Valentine's? Well, they have the Easter version now. So cute. This also came in a blue, more like this kind of blue, I think. Or is it a kind of a darker blue? But anyway, I didn't get the blue, you guys. I actually got two pink ones, but then my sister liked the sign also, so I gave her one. So anyway, it's super cute. I love the little pink truck, of course, and I love the little bunny butt right here with the eggs. So cute, right? I found this one right here. I thought this one was super sweet as well. It has a distressed look to it, and he's holding a little banner, and the banner is made out of paper, you guys, but it's supposed to be like a burlap banner. I'm kind of thinking of taking this off and maybe actually putting burlap and maybe cutting out the letters, but we'll see. It's really cute the way it is already, but anyway, we'll see what I do with this, if I alter it or not. Here's another cute sign, and this one you can paint and customize it and make it your own. This is really a great one for a nice DIY. And here is another super cute sign right here. And it's so cute. It says, "We believe in the Easter Bunny." This would be more for maybe little kids, but I just really love this little bunny right here. So here's another bunny. And this time it's this one, instead of an egg right here, it's a little dress. She's wearing a dress. So obviously this is a little girl and a little girl bunny. And again, it says spring on it this time. Really cute. Then I found this one right here, and it has the eggs. And I like these because then I like how some people, you know, pull these apart, because sometimes maybe it's too big for your project, so you can just use them individually. But there's the little bunny, and then there's this egg, and they're just attached, you know, with a ribbon. There's these eggs right here. So stinking cute. Could not help it, but I had to get this one as well. Look how adorable. How cute is that? Of course, I'm not going to use all of these signs, but I just couldn't help it. It was so hard to choose. And look at this. I love these carrots. They're just so cute. So I don't know, maybe I'll take this one apart. But look at that bunny. Isn't he adorable? And then I missed out on these tags when they had the, you know, the oversized tags when they had these for Valentine's. Didn't find any at my Dollar Tree, but they had these. So follow the bunny. He has chocolate. So cute. And then there's this one. This chick is ready for Easter. So stinking cute. And then the hunt is on. So cute. So I couldn't help it. I couldn't decide. So I had to get all 3 of them, and they are all different. And I just love these big oversized tags. I did get this one right here. Now I don't really care for this particular bunny, but I saw a DIY by Olivia's Romantic Home, and she put flowers. And I have seen those kind of bunnies, you know, that have just flowers, and they're super expensive. Like the ones I saw were expensive. So I'm going to try to DIY this little guy here and put some flowers just like the video that I saw. So can't wait to play with that. Then I found this one, and this one's a smaller one. So this will be cute to add to your smaller projects and or your tiered trays. But how adorable is this bunny? I couldn't help it. I had to get that one too. And then lastly, I did pick these up, and I thought they were super cute because they're Peeps, but they're lip balm. And so there's this one in vanilla marshmallow cream. There's this one here in strawberry marshmallow cream. And then this one, which is cotton candy. And I thought that would be cute to gift to some of my friends. So isn't that adorable? So that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys liked what you saw. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. I do a lot of hauls and also paper crafting, but I'm also wanting to do more DIY to decorate your home. Don't forget to click that little bell button on the right so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.